Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here, and the Blue Bomber is going to get its headlights revamped completely. Look at this pathetic. Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here. Glad to have you with us. We are going to be working on the Blue Bomber today, and it is going to get a facelift. I am going to see just how nice and beautiful we can get these ugly wretches looking. We're going to put a set of these in there, you got it, and buff and polish these to a glistening shine. They are pretty bad, so we're going to get busy on that and see if we can make it look gorgeous. Then we got to crawl on our bellies like a reptile and polish those fog lights up. But for now, we're doing this. And oh, check out our video on front end alignments using a string. There is absolutely no wear on these front tires whatsoever. We've got quite a few miles on them, and the tires and alignment are absolutely beautiful. It works. We saved a bunch of money doing it ourselves. Don't forget Sweet Motorhomes. We have a bunch of great videos on there. We're doing one that I think you'll like, very interesting. So check that out, and don't forget Sweet Scoots for all of you that love motorcycles. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located, my friend.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. Let's get at it. Okay, the first thing we're doing, of course, is removing the headlamp, installing the LED light. Very simple process there. And I am narrating this versus talking over it because a lot of this needs to be sped up so you're not bored to tears. And we check it and make sure it's working before we bolt it back in. Now we're using our special mix. That'll be in the tools list. Our special secret Sweet Project Cars polishing mix. Now, you'll notice the pads that I'm using. You'll want to watch the whole video so you know what pads to use in what order. We're using the gray one first. And you'll do that for about 5 minutes probably. I'm changing my music now. And you don't be afraid to use a lot of the mix. And this will really take a lot of the imperfections out of the plastic. And you notice that I didn't tape off any of the paint because it doesn't hurt the paint. Doesn't hurt it at all. You could literally polish your whole car with that mixture right there. Now we're going to use a little detail spray, and that wets it back up, reactivates the polish. A few sprays here and there. The more you do it, the nicer it'll look. So if you want to do it for 10, you can. Now we're using the orange pad, and you can see it's starting to get really clear. Now we're going with the compound pad with a little spray of detail on it. No polish on it, just the detail spray. Now look at it, it's really starting to clear up. And each one of them I did it for about 5 minutes each. Make sure you check out our other channels if you want to learn a whole bunch of cool stuff. All our channels are very educational, and they're great for your kids to watch too, because they'll learn a lot. That's how I learned how to do all this from my dad. Now we're actually using the polishing pad, the white one, and you'll do that for about 5 minutes as well. Little spray of detail on it, lube it up a little bit. Okay, here I'm not real happy with the shine, so I'm going back to the yellow one, which you can always do that. Compounding pad, and I'm going to hit it again for another 5 minutes or so. And these headlights are really bad. If yours aren't this bad, it's no big deal. Now we're going back with the white one, polishing pad. But when I'm done with them, they'll look brand new. And that's the whole idea. Now we're going to clean it up with some detail spray. And now we're going to wax it. And we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to use our awesome new ceramic wax. And you're going to see me do something different. I'm going to really put it on heavy. Then I wipe off the excess. Then I take the buffing pad, the white one, polishing pad, and then I actually buff the wax, because the headlight is now warm, and this stuff will really embed into it, protecting it so you won't have to do this again for a long time. Now we just take a good microfiber and shine it up. Look at that. Look how bright that is now. It's crazy. Thumbs up, baby. And as we always say, don't be a schmuckle, and Sweet Project Cars out.